Hello children, in this video chapter 9 exercise number 4 we are going to see with the topic measurement of capacity. So what is capacity? Capacity is the amount a container which can hold. That is the capability of the container. If it is half a liter, we can able to pour only half a liter of any quantity of water or oil or juice or anything it is. So what happens if we pour more than a half a liter in a container which can hold a half a liter? What happens? When we pour more than half a liter, it will overflow. That is, it cannot hold more than half liter of water or oil or the juice, whatever it is we are pouring. So that is what the amount of capacity which a container can hold. So here we can also use different equipments to measure the capacity. So like measuring jars, measuring cylinders, beakers, etc. So the most commonly used units of capacity are liter and milliliter. So the basic unit of capacity is liter. So as if we had in units of length and units of mass, we had 7 different units each had, no? So here also we have 7 different units under units of capacity. So here I have just shown you the different 7 units under units of capacity, which starts from the smaller unit. I am going to start with the smaller unit, which is milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. So as if here also each unit is 10 times greater than its unit to its right. So when it comes to conversion concept, the same concept which we follow in the units of length and units of mass, no? The same concept. When you convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply. When we convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, we will do division. So here also I'll just show you one example with two different units under unit of capacity. So here example I have took like 5 liter, 535 milliliter has to be converted to milliliter first, and then that milliliter has to be converted to liter. Okay, so here first 5 liter and 535 milliliter has to be converted to milliliter. So here the half part is already in milliliter, so we'll keep this as it is and we'll convert only the liter to milliliter. So here I'll just write the units: milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter. And if you want, you can also write the rest of the units. So since we are going to have the 2 units, liter and milliliter, so I have written that alone. So here from liter to milliliter we are going to convert. So these 2 units first you have to compare, which is big and which is small. So liter is bigger, milliliter is smaller. That is, we are going to convert from the liter to milliliter. So liter to milliliter is big to small. So when we convert the unit, bigger unit to smaller unit, we will do multiplication. So multiplication with what unit? That is what value? So as if I told you, each unit is 10 times bigger, no? So 10, 10, 10. So altogether 1000. So multiplying by 1000. So this 5 liter plus 535 milliliter. So first I am just connecting it with plus symbol. So this 5 liter has to be multiplied with 1000 plus 535 milliliter. So what happens when it is multiplied? 5000 milliliter. It will be converted to milliliter after multiplying, plus 535 milliliter. So what happens when it is added? 5535 milliliter. So here 5535 milliliter. So here also you can write, and here also you can write 5535 milliliter. So now this 5535 milliliter has to be converted to liter. Okay, so again I am going to write the units: milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter. So now from milliliter to liter, milliliter to liter. So comparing these two units, liter is bigger, milliliter is smaller. So smaller to bigger unit we are going to convert. So we have to do division. So division with which, what value? 10, 10, 10. So together 1000. So we are going to do division with 1000. So this 5535 milliliter divided by 1000. So 5535 by 1000. So finding out the answer without doing division, write the numerator as it is. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 3. For that 3 zeros from right to left, 3 places we have to move and keep a decimal. So now this has became 5.535 liters. Okay, 5.535 liters. So here also you can write 5.535 liters. Okay. So hope you have understood how to convert from liters to milliliter and also from milliliter to liters. Hope you have understood. Thank you, children.